Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a flying particles video effects in CapCut. So actually this effect can only be used on a photo. So I've already tried to do it on video, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna back to the photo. And so what you need to do to have that flying particles effect is just click on your photo that you add to CapCut and go to style, then click on the particles tab. So here there will be three options. You can just choose, but for the particles you can just use between the particles, this one and this one's right here and this one. I've already choose one, and so it will have that flying particle like that. If you try on the other one, it will go like this. Oops. Okay, there might be some error, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and click on the thanks below, and also subscribe. Bye.